Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. In this short video I would like to share with you a quick look on the 1984 Toyota pickup truck and specifically on its engine. I got this for thorough checkup today. There's a bunch of things which needs to be done, and what I discovered here is in this vehicle a legendary 22RE four-cylinder engine, and this one is not original. As you can see, this is custom stuff. And why is that? Because regarding to the dealer, which is not far from here, this car was brought to them a while ago and it had problems. They found out that the oil pump failed and basically the motor destroyed itself. This truck, I believe, has 270,000 miles. Now, few numbers for you who are interested what happens after that. I found a paperwork in this vehicle where they are showing that they offered to this customer remanufactured engine option. He went for it. The dealer charged for the reman engine $2,000. The labor to replace it and do all that job was also $2,000. And with the small carburetor, kit, because if you can see carburetor, it's brand new too, right? That's pretty obvious. With all the details, small parts, the total bill was $5,000. And that all because, right, this person was towing some trailer, the engine overheated, and the diagnosis was that the oil pump failed. So this is something what I want to share with you, just give you idea what can happen, right? Was it worth it? Blah, blah, blah. That will be another discussion. If the owner should have invested in it, we don't know what were his reasons, doesn't matter. But these are the numbers from this automotive world, which somebody might find interesting. Thank you for watching, and make sure you are subscribed. I have a ton of Toyota tech coming your way on this channel. See you later, my friend.